This easy-to-use app was created to help teachers boost student engagement during lessons and discussions. It's based on the simple strategy I described in my first book called Class Cards, in which a set of 3x5 cards with a student name written on each one is used to call upon students randomly. The app, as you're about to see, takes that idea to a whole new level. This first screen is where you'll select the class to use. At the moment, there's just this sample class. It was included so that you can play around with the app and get a feel for how it works. In the next video, I'll show you how to delete the sample class and create your own. But for right now, we're going to tap on the class and hit the random button. You can see the name of the class you selected, the student to be called upon right now, and the next 4 students to be called upon. You have 2 scoring options. The plus/minus buttons are for objective questions such as true, false, multiple choice, or fill in the blank, in which there is only one correct answer. The student's response is either right or wrong. The 4 letter grade buttons are used for subjective questions that require students to process and evaluate information. Regardless of the type of question, you just call upon Samantha and then give her a score based upon the quality of her response. Samantha's name and grade are moved to the previous student space. This allows you to undo it if you wish and assign a new grade. Call upon Nui, take his response, and assign a grade. You can see that Nui received a B. A plus is shown as COR for correct and a minus INC for incorrect. For students who do not provide a response at all, just tap the NR button and a score of 0 will be assigned. If you'd like to use the app without assigning grades, tap the pass button. For students who would like more time to respond, just tap the name. This moves the student to the hold queue and provides them with more time to think and respond, while allowing you to call upon another student. After calling upon a few more students, you can then tap on Waleed's name, bring him back to the top, take his response, and tap a score button. Speaking of scores, you can check scores whenever you wish. Select the class, tap the scores button, and here we see the student's participation grade as a percentage and the number of times they were called upon to respond. With the tap of a button at the bottom, I can sort the students by their scores from high to low. If you'd like to confer with just one student about their progress, just tap the name. This privacy screen appears, covers up the other scores, and provides some details. Here we can see the student's percentage, the class average, and the student's rank in class. You also see tallies for the 6 score buttons along with the no response button, and below that the tallies for how many times they were sent to hold and how many times you tap pass. If you'd like to record the fact that you had spoken with the student, tap the record button and a date stamp appears. Otherwise, just tap OK and you'll be returned to the score view. In addition to calling upon students randomly, you can also decide which student to call upon with the select button. Tap the class, tap select, and here's the class roster. Enables you to scroll through the list, find a student, call upon him, give him a score. You can also use the select feature during random mode. Select the class, tap the random button, call upon some students, and whenever you wish, tap the select button. Find the student, tap the name, assign a score. Tap on random, takes you back to the random screen. Tap on back, returns you to the class list.